Adding items on Export Portal has never been easier for our sellers and manufacturers. In this video, we'll walk you through the new process on our international B2B trade platform. There are only a few simple steps to follow to add a new item to our product catalog. First, log into your seller or manufacturer account. Then, click on your name in the upper right corner and choose the Add Items option. Right away, a pop-up box will appear on the screen asking whether you agree to the terms and conditions for uploading photo and video content. View the photo and video content policy by clicking on the blue text, and if you agree, check the boxes, then click Submit. Now you can start adding the description and other information for your item. The process consists of 5 important sections: product category, specifications, shipping information, visuals, and price and variations. Let's start with product category. Here, choose the product category and, if needed, the subcategory. You can use a keyword to find the category more easily. Choose very carefully the category and subcategory for your item so that buyers can easily find your product. Then click the Next button. Next up is specifications. Here, you will add all the required specifications for your item. First, give an attractive yet relevant name to your product. Then, insert the year when the item was created and the country where it was produced. Next comes a very essential part in this process: adding tags to this item. This is critical because it determines the likelihood of your item appearing in a buyer's search for items. Another notable option is add custom item specifics. Say you are selling different types of sun hats, some made of cotton and some made of polyester, both with different colors. Adding such varieties significantly increases buyers' interest in your product. Please also pay attention to purchase options and click on the info icons to see what each of these mean and choose the ones that suit your products. As soon as you have filled in all the information, press Next. After this comes the shipping information, where you will need to attentively add required details. We recommend you ensure everything is written accurately and correctly, reflecting the real numbers. A high-quality presentation of your products presents you as a reliable seller, and buyers are more likely to trust you. Then continue to the next section. For visuals, you can upload images for your items to make your product more appealing. Pay close attention to the requirements for the photos and give special consideration to the quality of the uploaded pictures. We advise you to make sure the photos you take are clear enough and look attractive for buyers. The image is the first detail that will catch buyers' attention, so it is undoubtedly worth investing a bit of extra time and effort. A great feature is that you can add more than one picture for each product. You can take photos from different angles, thus allowing the purchaser to see the item in more detail. If you have different types of the same item, you can easily add photos for each of them. This will increase your chances of being popular and successful on our platform. If you happen to also have a promotional video for your product, do not hesitate to add the link below the pictures. Also on this page, we encourage you to add the description for your item. Here you can describe the product, indicating what makes it special and including key selling points. Remember, the better you describe your product, the higher the chances that buyers will notice it. It is preferable that the description is written in English. However, in case your written English is not that strong, Export Portal can help. You can write the description in your native language, and our team will translate it for you within 5 working days. The final step is price and variations, where you will be asked to enter the price in USD as well as a discount price if one is available. In addition, you can create variations for the items and set a price for a combination of variations here. Read the instructions on how to add item variations and create combinations carefully. The price you will be adding for item variations is the final discount price for each product. And there you go! In about 10 minutes, you will have your items successfully added to the largest B2B marketplace. Use these tips to list your products in an attractive and efficient way on Export Portal and promote your product to your network of international buyers today.